Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the casino that is the stock market. My name is Shades. If it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe and give the video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's jump into the video. Alright guys, AITX is absolutely bottomed out here. Again, I'm going to repeat this. It's difficult to time the absolute bottom, but it's bottomed out. If you look at the monthly chart, you can see very clearly this is where we have, oops, let's see why does this chart look so ugly? Okay, so you pull back on the monthly chart and you'll notice that this stock has bottomed out down here multiple times in the past at double zeros. So the monthly chart tells the bigger story. If you zoom out on the weekly, you'll notice same thing. It is absolutely as close to the bottom as possible. It could come down lower to 002s, but again, you're not going to time the exact bottom. So I would say start accumulating right now down here. So that's your first stock to keep an eye on. If you want to jump into that one, I already jumped into it. BNED apparently is on its way to breaking out. Let's go to the daily chart. It just broke out today, or not today, Friday. So keep an eye on this one, because if this continues to break out, we could see this stock. Let's see if it breaks up. Oh wow, we could see $17. If we continue to pump here on BNED, Monday we could see this go up as far as 17. That is our next level of support. So that's another one to keep an eye on if you're looking to day trade more than anything. Probably not a swing trade though. ASNS, this one has been stair-stepping, but I would expect it to eventually retrace. This one likes to make its big moves on catalyst, on PRs, contracts, military contracts, etc., etc. I would wait to buy under 1.3. And then this is a trading range, so buy at 1.3 around that area and hold it for the pop to $2. Pretty simple trade there because of that trading range. IQ is not, Tilray is not a buy. It's going to be a while before this one comes down to our support, so definitely not it. BBAI got a huge pump. Actually, BBAI, keep an eye on it. Buyer stepped in. Buyer stepped in on Friday. Interesting. It found support. Buyer stepped in. Watch for a breakout above 1.79, because then it can go to $2 and retest that. So that's what I would watch out for if you're looking to trade BBAI. That's when buyers step in like that after a huge pump, that means there's still interest in the stock. And you want to keep an eye on whether it can continue that momentum. So there's your trading range, a very volatile one, as you can see with how much movement it's getting. But if we can break out on Monday, we could see this retest $2. So there's money to be made on that one. Again, you don't want to hold a bag on this. If you're going to play the breakout, definitely have a stop loss, or a trailing stop loss is what I would use. BitF, no. AMC looks like it's bottomed out here, but no, not AMC. Silver, woo. No, this one's near a top. SoundHound looks like it wants to break down. We'll see what happens. It's going sideways here. I'm going to wait for the breakout, but if you want to buy the dip here, go for it, but I'm just going to wait for the breakout. This one's a good one. It's in the trading range, so you have three options here. Play the breakout on Monday if we get a huge pump, because we pumped on Friday. Like a lot of stocks started pumping, Bitcoin miners started moving. We started getting action in the markets. So what I'm saying is, if you believe in SoundHound, either buy here or wait for it to come down to this the bottom of this range. I'm going to wait for the breakout, because if it breaks out, that means we got a lot of bullish momentum, not just with SoundHound, but also across the markets. And we'll pump back to 644. So that's almost $1 move there. So that one's a good one. Palantir, didn't Palantir already break out? Palantir looks like it wants to fall, so I'm not touching that. RIOT stock, this one is the one that we bought a lot of in the Discord. And I even bought more in after hours out of the 1,000 shares. This one is getting ready to explode along with all the other miners in Coinbase. If this one starts pumping on Monday and Bitcoin starts running as well, we are going to see $9 and then 10 fast, because these are very volatile. These can start moving when it gets pumpy. It gets runny. Like it really, these things can run. So, and I think there's some shorts in there too that we can squeeze. So we could see $10 fast on Monday. So not a bad idea to add under $10. Under $10. Let me show you something. This thing has held this bottom down here under $10. since June of last year. No, wait, wrong. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, I was right. June of last year. It touched this bottom and it ran to $20. Came back down, ran again. Came back down to this range, ran again. Came down to the bottom of the range, ran again, and it just keeps doing that. Very profitable, but you have to A, trust that the trading range is gonna hold, and B, you have to have discipline and a lot of patience. So it's been very profitable, and it should continue to be profitable as long as this range holds. If it doesn't hold, then that means we're going into a bear market, because the last time we were under this was when this huge bear market happened. You can see from 46 to a low of $3, which is possible. We don't know when the next bear market's going to start, but if this thing if RIOT starts falling back nice and cheap to $3, I'm not going to be scared like last time. I'm going to add more. Because last time I was scared, I was like, $3? Oh my God, the sky is falling. I was wrong. That in bear markets, all stocks get real cheap. So that was on me. I didn't know any better. Serve stock. Let's see. Serve stock. I would see if we hold this $10. If we can hold $10 here, we'll get another pump back to at least 11 to 12. UEC. Why do I have UEC here? Oh, UEC. Ooh, it tried to break above 550. If UEC can break above 550, we could see it go to 6. So that needs to happen on Monday. Again, we were very much pumping on Friday, so if that's going to continue, we will see again a lot of stocks rise. SAML, and no, that's already running. We don't want to touch stocks that have already started pumping. Look at Hive. That's a Bitcoin miner, by the way. Look at that. Just huge breakouts on miners after Jerome Powell stopped yapping. We had to wait for Powell to stop talking for the stocks to start getting moves. Let's see, Shopify, no. Coinbase, look at that breakout. We're just going to get breakouts here across the markets. As long as this continues on Monday and going into all of next week, we will see a lot of people who were patient and disciplined make a lot of money. I think that's it. I don't think. Keep an eye on Bitcoin over the weekend. If this continues to pump, we're going to see miners gap up, and they can gap up like sometimes $1. So we're going to make a lot of money, guys. If you're not in the Discord, please, I implore you to join. We are going to make hand over fist money. And you won't realize how easy it is. The Discord, by the way, my Discord, it's not a normal Discord. I just tell you when I buy, and it's up to you as to whether you want to jump in with me or not. And I also give you the sell alert. I know some Discorders don't do that. They just tell you, hey, here's the game plan. Good luck. That's garbage. That's garbage. You're paying, what, $25 a month just for no one to tell you when to buy and sell? Screw that. That's a horrible Discord if they just drop game plans. Like, hey guys, here's the game plan. I do drop game plans for day trading because I don't day trade. I'm a swing trader, if you didn't know that already. If you can't tell, I'm a swing trader, so I don't really day trade. So I would drop game plans every now and then for day traders who want to day trade. But if you're a swing trader and you just want to sit back and not watch candles print, aka watch paint dry, my Discord is for you. It's very simple. It's not bloated with 20,000 things. It's just buy and sell alerts. Keep it simple, stupid type of, I don't want to curse, but anyways, I'll stop there with the Discord pump. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there are any stocks you want me to look at, definitely feel free to drop the ticker names below.